Hello students, welcome to my class. Today our topic is ratio. What is the ratio? Ratio is a comparison by division of two quantities of same kind or same units. Okay, ratio is a comparison by division of two quantities of same kind or same units. We can calculate the ratio if the ratio between two quantities if the units of both quantities will be same. Okay, let A and B are two quantities. A and B have same units. Okay, so A is called incident and B is called consequent. We can write it in the form of A divided by B. We can write A ratio B is equal to A divided by B. Okay? We can calculate the ratio between two quantities of same kind if the units of both quantities are same. For example, from your exercise 7a, first question is lowest term. Here 48 ratio 60 is given. Both are same kind because the both are unitless. Okay, so we can calculate the ratio between these two. We can write 48 divided by 60. Okay, now we have to convert these two in lowest term. So first of all we have to calculate the HCF of what is the highest common factor between 48 and 60. HCF of 48 and 60 will be, what is calculate HCF? How to calculate HCF? You know, by using division method. 48, 60, 48 1 is 48. But left 12 become your divisor and 48 become dividend. 12 4 ja 48. So HCF will be 12. Last divisor is the HCF of given two number. So HCF of 48 and 60 is 12. Now divide 48 by 60 both by 12. Okay, 12 4 ja 48, 12 5 ja 60. The lowest term of 48 ratio 60 is 4 ratio 5. Okay, now another example. Another example is 48, second part, 48 minute ratio 1 by 2 hours. We have to calculate the ratio between 48 minutes and 1.5 hours. Look here, your first incident is in minute and consequent in hour. So to calculate the ratio between these two, we have to do the units same. Okay, so we have to convert minute into hours or hour into minute. So it is, we can write 48 minute ratio 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour means 1.5 hour means 1 hour means 60 minutes and half hour means 30 minutes. So total 90 minute. So we can write here 90 minute. Okay. Now calculate the ratio. Now A and B both are in same ratio. So we can calculate the ratio between these two, 48 and 90. Now we have to think or calculate the highest common factor between these two. How to calculate? You know, by division method. 90, 48, 48 1 ja 48, 1 left, 2, 4, 42, 48, 42, 1 ja 42, 6, here 42 become your dividend and 46 7 ja 42. So your SCF will be 6. SCF here 6. So divide both numerator and denominator by 6. Divide it 6 divided with 6. Okay. When you divide 48 with 6, what come? 8. And 56, 90 divided by 6 comes 15. The ratio between 48 minute and 1.5 hour is 8:15. At last you can write 8:15. Okay. Now we have one more example. Convert 1/3 ratio 1/4 in whole number ratio. Here the ratios are given in fraction. How to convert these fractions into whole number ratio is very important. So here we have the ratio 1/3 ratio 1/4. Okay. So we have to take the LCM of denominators. LCM of denominator. Denominators are 3 and 4. What is the LCM of denominator? That is 12. So convert these two ratio 1/1 as the denominator 12. So we can convert it 1/3 multiply 12 ratio 1/4 multiply 12. It comes 3 4 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12. The ratio comes 4:3. Okay. This is the method to convert a fractional number ratio in whole number ratio. Okay. So today we learned what is the ratio and how to calculate the ratio between two numbers. The ratio between two numbers calculated if the units of both quantities will be same, and also learn how to convert fractional ratio into whole number ratio. Okay. Thank you.